wondered how to give your skin that radiant glow and your hair that healthy shine? Well, the secret might just be in a glass of green juice. Packed with nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants, green juice is more than just a healthy drink. It's also a beauty booster for your skin and hair. In today's video, we'll be looking at how this vibrant green elixir can help you achieve that healthy glow from the inside out. So, stay with me to the end of the video. Let's get started. And while we are at it, kindly like the video and subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so.
And rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. Just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow, and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive.